Creating a DIP switch circuit involves designing and implementing a set of small, manually operated switches housed in a standard dual inline package, DIP, format. DIP switches are often used in electronics for user-selectable configuration settings. Steps to create a DIP switch circuit. 1. Understand the purpose of the DIP switch. DIP switches allow you to set device modes, e.g., enable/disable features. Configure hardware addresses or inputs. Select operational settings. 2. Components required. DIP switch. A standard DIP switch module with 2 to 8 switches. Pull-up or pull-down resistors.
10 Omega.
10 k Omega resistors for each switch. Microcontroller or logic circuit, optional. For interfacing with digital circuits, e.g., Arduino, Raspberry Pi. Power supply. Typically 5V or 3.3V, depending on your circuit. Breadboard and jumper wires. 3. Circuit design. The DIP switch outputs a high or low signal depending on its position. On, direct connection to VCC, high state. OFF, connected to ground, low state, through a pull-down resistor or left floating, use pull-ups to avoid undefined states. Wiring for pull-up configuration. Each switch connects to a pull-up resistor, with the other terminal of the switch going to ground. The input signal will read high when the switch is OFF, open. Low when the switch is on, closed. Circuit diagram. Single switch example.
Census.
Copy code. VCC